Assalamualaikum everybody, this is my 21st algorithm video, and in this video we would be given an integer, and in that integer if there are zeros present in it, we need to convert those zeros and replace them by 5, right? So for example, the number that is given to us is 1004. So since there are two zeros present in it, the new number should be 1554. So first we need to convert it into a string number equal str number. Then I make a new string and I keep it blank. Then I make a for loop for I in string number. If I is 0, I concatenate the new string with 5. Else, if there are no zeros, I just concatenate the new string with the current I or the current digit. Now when the for loop is completed, I print the new string. Now as you can see, 1004 has been replaced by 1554. Now if I change the number to say 121, since there are no zeros present in it, the result should be 121. And as expected, the new result, the new string is printed as 121. This is all from my side. I hope you liked the video. Please share, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.